Assalamualaikum, I'm NURIN IZZATY binti HAMZAH. We are from Crime News Program. Today, we will present a criminal case that involves a serious offence and the application of criminal law. This bulletin will explain the fact of the case, the crime committed, and how the law deals with it. A night of jealousy turned into a fatal tragedy in a rented room in Kuching. In the recent appeal of Salim, anak kepada Brian, and public prosecutor, the court revisit the horrific event of November 2016, where a relentless one-hour assault led to the death of a young woman. Today, we look at how the Court of Appeal dismantled the defense claim of no intent to kill, and why they ultimately upheld the death sentence for a man who claimed he only meant to cause minor hurt.
Hello?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Can I ask something? But please be honest with me. Did you cheat on me? Hello? No.
Why didn't you reply my chat? Why didn't you reply my chat? Hey, Noah! Why didn't you reply my chat? Did you cheat on me? Why didn't you? Hey, Noah! I give you last chance. Did you cheat on me? Answer me! Did you cheat on me? Hey! Answer me! Did you cheat on me?
Nora, just tell him the truth.
Yes, I did. Are you satisfied?
Salim, enough.
Wait, what?
Nora. Enough! Salim, enough! Enough!
Sedih, no? Huh?
Wait, ya Salim. You will know the consequences on what you have done.
How dare you, no? How dare you cheat on me?
This is why I don't trust you from the beginning. Why did you do this? Why did you cheat? I already tell you, don't test my patience. Why do you still test my patience?
Noah? Noah? Noah?
Noah, wake up! Teresa.
Why do you call me using Nora's phone? Where is she?
She's dead.
This is not a joke, Salim. Come pick me right now.
Nora! Nora, wake up! Salim, what we gonna do? Hey, Salim, I'm asking you. What we gonna do?
Wait, hold on. We need to get this done quickly. I will go to police.
Doctor, can you tell me the injuries that has been detected on Nora's body?
First of all, I am very sorry for your loss. The postmortem confirms that the deceased died from a severe head injury caused by blunt force trauma. The injury is consistent with the head being forcefully struck against a hard wall, such as concrete wall. Other injuries were present but were not serious and did not contribute to death. The main cause of the death was blunt force trauma to the head.
I felt sorry for her. I hope justice will be done.
The court will allow the appellant, Salim Anak Brayon, to briefly state his disagreement to the decision of the High Court. Salim Anak Brayon, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. I was at the bedroom at 7 p.m. We had a misunderstanding between us because she did not answer my phone calls. I admit that slapping her on her left cheek. There was pushing and pulling between us, and I tried to stop her while trying to avoid me. She knocked herself on the table. Then I asked her to sit down, and I admit that I was pinching and slapping her on her hands and legs. The misunderstanding between us just about half an hour before it stopped at 9:30 p.m. When the misunderstanding cooled down, I asked her if she was okay or not, and she said she was fine. She asked me to go home because she was afraid that my wife will look for me. The next morning, I tried to call her, but there was no answer. I went to her house and found her lying and no response at all. I tried to wake her up, but she did not give any response, and I tried to give the CPR, but there was no pulse. I was panicked and tried to reach witness to inform her condition. I had no intention to kill her. The wall was made of calcium board, which is easily to broke, and the death was not caused by me. That's all.
Having heard the submissions of both parties and having examined the record of appeal, this court now delivers its judgment. Salim Anak Brayon, you may proceed.
Thank you.
This is an appeal by Salim Anak Brayon against his conviction and sentence imposed by the High Court of Sabah and Sarawak at BINTI, where he was found guilty of murder under section 302 of the Penal Code and sentenced to death. The duty of this court is not to retry the case, but to determine whether the High Court erred in law or in fact. For the offence of murder, the prosecution must prove the death of the deceased. The death was caused by bodily injury and that the injury was inflicted by the appellant and that the appellant acted with the requisite intention under section 300 of the Penal Code. There is no dispute that Nora anak Jelina is dead. Medical evidence confirmed that the cause of death was head injury due to blunt force trauma, sufficient in the ordinary course of nature to cause death. This court finds no error in the High Court reliance on the evidence of PW17, the eyewitness, who testified that the appellant assaulted the deceased violently and pushed her against a hard wall, causing her head to strike him. This evidence was corroborated by medical findings and there was no intervening cause of death. The main issue on appeal concerns intention. Intention may be inferred from conduct. The appellant's actions were violent and hollow, culminating in a forceful act against a vital part of the body. This conduct clearly falls within section 300 clause C and clause D of the Penal Code. The defense that the injury was accidental amounts to a bare denial and fails to raise a reasonable doubt. The appellant was also the last person seen with the deceased and failed to provide a satisfactory explanation for the fatal injury. Salim anak Rayon, you may stand up. Having reviewed the evidence, this court finds that the learned High Court judge correctly applied the law and properly assessed the facts. We therefore agree with and affirm the decision of the High Court. The appeal is dismissed and the conviction and sentence under section 302 of the Penal Code are upheld. That is the judgment of this court. This court is dismissed.